Bird and Kip, Episode 37, Bird's Secret. It was an early fall morning. The air was chilly. Kip rubbed his paws to keep warm. Kip looked down. Bird was doing something in her nest. Kip didn't see what it was. He could only see something green and yellow.
Hey, Bird!
Said Kip.
What are you doing? Nothing,
said Bird. Kip climbed down to Bird's branch.
Can I see?
Asked Kip.
No,
said Bird. Bird turned her back to Kip.
Come on.
Said Kip.
Tell me what you're doing. No,
said Bird.
please.
Said Kip.
No,
Said Bird.
I'm not telling you.
Kip tried to peek around Bird. Bird moved to the side. Kip tried to peek over Bird. Bird raised her shoulders.
Why won't you tell me?
Asked Kip. Bird got angry.
Because it's a secret, Kip.
Cried Bird.